Hey there, online entrepreneurs. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of money-making skills that you can learn and apply online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to build a full-fledged online business, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right into it. Skill number 1: Digital marketing. Digital marketing is a powerhouse skill that can propel your online success. Businesses are constantly seeking ways to expand their online presence and reach a wider audience. By mastering techniques like search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and pay-per-click advertising, PPC, you can help businesses skyrocket their online visibility and generate more leads. Skill number 2: Web development. Websites are the backbone of online businesses. Having the ability to create and maintain websites is a highly sought-after skill. With web development skills, you can design and build stunning websites, optimize user experience, and ensure smooth functionality. Learning languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as popular frameworks like WordPress, can give you a solid foundation in web development. Skill number 3: E-commerce management. E-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop, and it presents a massive opportunity for entrepreneurs. If you're interested in starting your own online store or managing one for others, e-commerce management skills are essential. Familiarize yourself with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Learn about inventory management, customer service, and digital marketing specific to e-commerce. These skills will help you navigate the online retail landscape effectively. Skill number 4: Copywriting. The power of words cannot be underestimated in the online world. Copywriting is the art of crafting compelling and persuasive content that drives action. Whether it's writing captivating product descriptions, engaging blog posts, or persuasive sales copies, copywriting skills are in high demand. Learn the principles of persuasive writing, understand your target audience, and master the art of storytelling to create content that resonates with readers and drives conversions. Skill number 5: Graphic design. In the visually driven online realm, graphic design skills can make a significant impact. Being able to create eye-catching visuals for websites, social media posts, and marketing materials can enhance the overall user experience and boost engagement. Familiarize yourself with graphic design tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva. Learn about color theory, typography, and composition to create stunning visuals that capture attention and convey messages effectively. Skill number 6: Video editing. Videos have become an integral part of online content. With the rise of platforms like YouTube and TikTok, the demand for video editing skills has skyrocketed. Learning how to edit videos can allow you to create engaging and professional-looking content. Familiarize yourself with video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, and learn about cutting, transitions, effects, and color grading to produce high-quality videos that stand out from the crowd. Skill number 7: Social media management. Social media platforms have become powerful marketing tools. With billions of active users, businesses are leveraging social media to connect with their target audience and build brand awareness. By developing social media management skills, you can help businesses establish and maintain a strong social media presence. Learn about content curation, community engagement, analytics, and advertising on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Skill number 8: Search engine optimization, SEO. Appearing on the first page of search engine results is crucial for online visibility. That's where SEO comes into play. By mastering SEO techniques, you can optimize websites to rank higher in search engine results, driving organic traffic and increase exposure. Learn about keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and understanding search engine algorithms. Stay up to date with the latest SEO trends to ensure you're maximizing the online visibility of websites and driving targeted traffic. Skill #9: Online course creation. The online learning industry has exploded in recent years, and creating and selling online courses has become a lucrative endeavor. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can share your knowledge and monetize it by creating online courses. Learn about instructional design, content creation, video production, and platform integration. By developing these skills, you can create high-quality courses that provide value to learners and generate passive income. Skill number 10: virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and businesses are looking for remote support to handle administrative tasks, customer service, and project management. Virtual assistant skills are highly sought after in the online world. Develop skills in organization, communication, time management, and proficiency in tools like project management software, communication platforms, and office productivity software. By offering virtual assistant services, you can work remotely and support businesses from anywhere in the world. So there you have it, top skills to learn and make money online. Remember, mastering a skill requires dedication, practice, and continuous learning. The online world is constantly evolving, so staying updated with the latest trends and technologies is crucial for your success. Whether you choose to SS social media management, SEO, or whatever you do, everything depends on the level of focus and dedication. Explore different opportunities, experiment with different skills, and find your niche. Remember, building a successful online business or career takes time and effort. Be patient, persevere through challenges, and continuously improve your skills. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of networking and building relationships within your chosen industry. Connect with like-minded individuals, join online communities, and seek mentorship from experts who have already achieved success in the field you're interested in. Finally, always prioritize providing value to your audience or clients. By delivering exceptional quality, solving problems, and meeting the needs of your target market, you'll establish yourself as a trusted authority and attract more opportunities to monetize your skills. So, get ready to embark on your journey of learning and making money online. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and with the right skills and mindset, you can create a thriving online business or career.